Hello, today I'm going to show you how to schedule your email on Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook app, the desktop application, not the 365 Microsoft option, and it looks the same as you would open the Outlook on your browser, for example Google Chrome or the Edge or Opera. So if you want to schedule an email, you need to obviously create a new one. Let's just, for example, send to me test and test. So yeah, I have just wrote an email, and you can type whatever you want in the email, obviously. And if you want to schedule to send this email later, for example, you're writing the email on Sunday and you want to deliver it on Monday at 8 o'clock, you want to go to the options, which is in the top of that, and as you can see, here is the option called schedule send. And for example, you can choose tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, or you can create a custom time. So let's, for example, select to be delivered at Monday at 8 a.m. And be aware that you need to have your Outlook application open at this time that you have selected to send this email. And also, when someone gets your email, they will get it at the selected time that you have selected right here, but they are going to get the information that the email was sent at the time that you click this send option. So they will get this email at this date and this time, but they are going to see that you have wrote this email at the time that you have wrote this email. So let's just click send, and as you can see, there is no email right here in the send items. This email right now is in drafts, and at the time that I have selected to schedule it, this email is going to move from drafts to send items because it is going to be sent at that time. So this is it. This is how you schedule an email in the Outlook app and in the browser version. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.